Hey guys, my name is Aaron Tark, and today we are talking about the lists in Python. So, for example, let's imagine you want to know the length of a string. So you're thinking how to do it. So let's create a function for that. So we can create a function, we can create a count, which will be start from the zero. After that, you can go uh, exactly like that, count plus equal 1 and return the count. And after that, you can do like print the length of the word hello. Let's run it. So we have the right number 5. But you know what? The Python have built-in function for the case, so you don't need it. You don't need it at all. All of that. Oh, sorry. Let me just delete it. So what you can do is make the len. So len is the built-in function for getting the string length. Yep, and that work. And let's test, will it work with the list as well? Let's make it the list. Yeah, let's do the same word, but keeping it as the list. Oops. Yep. Uh, let's test it. The result is the same. So this function works with the strings, which actually a list of symbols and with a list of symbols as well. What about the numbers? Let's do 4. We can imagine the number is a list of something, right? What we actually have is the error because you cannot get the length of a number. So another interesting feature of a list, let me show you. For example, you have the list called list. Is the list of numbers, for example, any number you want. And you want to take the latest number in this list. So you will take like that. You will use the index list length -1, right? To get the latest one. No, like that. And you're gonna to print this. Oops. Yep. Let's clean it a bit and do it again. So you have the clean output. That's right. We have a number 4, which is the latest one. But is this a way how we can get it more easily? Yes, it is. So let's try it like that. List -1. So you can ask how you can get the -1 number, -1 index of a list. It should be like the first num is 4 and the -1 is not exist. Let's try. This is actually exists. And when you are doing the minus number, the negative number in the index is go right to the end. And starting from the end, like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and the same. So let's try, for example, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try the -5. And this is exactly the first number. So the difference is with the positive numbers, like the positive numbers starting from the 0, so 0, first, second, third, and so on. But the negative numbers start from the -1, not 0. So it's -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. So see you later in the next videos. Bye bye.